I'm Asif Karim and you're watching Asif Karim Views. Today I'm going to show you how to make an edit thumbnail. First of all, you need to install a Pixel Lab, PicArt and Logopic Plus, whatever you want. So those apps are available in a APK file and a Play Store. You can get also a link from a description box. Before we are going to start the video, you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's
Now
start the
moving on to
video.
video, first of all you need to install a Logopit Plus. I already installed it, so I just simply press on it for opening. So create a new sheet. What do you need? I definitely need a YouTube thumbnail, so I just press on it and take a blank sheet. So go to plus sign and take a background. So you can also take a colors and I just take this sheet and add a text. I just simply type my name and press add. You can also change your font and also change a color. And click OK. You can also rotate it. Check. Select a border. Press OK and simply press OK. Now you can also add a logo if you want. I don't want, so I just deny it. And you can also insert your picture from a gallery. Simply adjust on it. Now you should add another text. And press add, and now you can adjust this text and change the color. Press OK, 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 and now your thumbnail is ready. So just simply save to GPG, PNG, several options is there. So I just download as a GPG. So my thumbnail is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.